Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gajju. Today we are discussing about client script. Before starting the video, if you are new for this channel, please subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon for the new videos. So in this video we are discussing about the client script. So what are the topic that we are discussing in this video is what is client script and what are the types and when and where we can use the client script and what is the best practice of use the client script, right? So I just open my instance so we can explore the things. Here you can see we just open the instance like we are just opening the any record. Mm, just give me a second. We just open an incident record. Okay. Like client script is nothing but like the piece of Java code that's run on the client side, and in other words we can also say that like client script is a piece of Java code that runs the browser side. And like what are the things and why we use for that one, like with the help of client script we can make the field as mandatory and read only, and like based on the clients we can add the options and we can remove the options and we can like hide the things. These things we can done by the client script. And one more thing, like uh, I will show you the client script first. Under the system definition we have a client script module, so we open that module. uh, Take time, still loading. Yeah, here you can see we just open a new, click on new. Here you can see the type of client script, right? On change is there, on load is there, and page. Now here you can see this is the name for that client script that we are using for, like we are writing the demo client script. We have give the name of the script, and under this second is table is there. So we have select the table in which table we have performed the access, like so in this table we have just select the incident, whichever whatever table you want to select, that you can select from here also. And this is the like second is the third is like UI policy. UI policy is nothing but like from where you can use that one, like desktop, mobile, and service portal and all, based on your requirement that we can follow. And here you can see that option is like type. What are the type of client script is? On cell edit is there, on change is there, on load is there, and on submit is there, right? And here you can see the description is there. Description is nothing but you can write the message like write the message related to our client script. And here you can see that this is a awesome things script, so we have to write the code here. So what are the things like? And one more thing, like here is you can see the application is there, right? Application is global, like we have select the application is global. And if you make that active and inactive, if we uncheck that box, so that client script will not execute, so we can make that active is true. And here you can see that global is there. If you click that global, so it will execute as a global. So now we have discussed about the types. What are the types here? First we go for the on cell edit. When we click on the on cell edit, here you can see the field name is populated here. So basically on cell edit is nothing but if you want to change something from the list view, then it will work, right? So here you can see this is a set of code. When you select the on cell edit, and it will populate it. So here you can see these two line, no need to change anything. And whatever you want to write the code here in that area, like type appropriate comment here, you can start writing the script here only. And like here you can just, I will show you the on cell edit where we can use, like, okay, just give me a 1 minute. Here you can see this is a list view, right? If you want to make anything from here only, so that at that time we can use on cell edit script, right? If you want to remove anything, and if you want to delete, and if you want to any do any validation, so we can make with the help of on cell edit, okay? And a second is like on change is nothing but when we click on the on change script, I think my net is slow. You perform any operation, or just like if you select the able tutor name, and based on that one, if we have select the based on select, we have to populate the short description for that. Like if the caller is able tutor, so we have to put the name of that caller name in the description. We can perform this with the help of on change, right? And after clicking on the on change, we have to select the field name. Field name is nothing but like we have to select the caller based on that field. It's performing the action. Like suppose I have select the able tutor, and if I want to, when the user is selecting the caller is able tutor, at that time the caller name is populated inside the short description. We have to check this one. We have to give this functionality for that one, so we can achieve this with the help of that on cell, sorry, on change. And one like onload is nothing but like whenever you perform any operation, or like onload is executing at the time when the form is loading. Like if you refresh that page, it will perform the, just like you can see the order is like reload side. It will perform only when the form is loading, right? And last is like on submit. On submit is script is nothing but like when it is basically used for like validation. If we make this what are the things, like we have put the mandatory things there, right? It will up before submitting that form, it will check the validation, what are the validation you put in that form. It will fill by the correct detail are filled by the user or not before submitting. If you are not filled proper details, as you can see, these are the invalid reference. So if I tried to submit that form, it will not submit. It will say that it is an invalid update, right? So we have to make whatever the validation you, if you want to put, so with the help of on submit we can put that one. If you want to put, so with the help of on submit we can put that one, right? These are the like four type of client script is there. And like when and where we can use, I already told. And what are the best practice to use the client script? Best practice is use the UI policies, right? Whenever you want to if you want to do actions with the help of client script, at the time you can go for the UI policy. Client script is the like last option. If the anything is not done by the UI policy, then we can use client script. And one more thing, like with the help, we can also use the glide ajax. Like glide ajax is nothing but like if you want to communicate with the server side, I have to discuss in the client script. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.